gossips of today.
They're probably tired, dear. They've been marching for an awful long time.
That is Poppy Cup. What do you prefer? That we love. When they shoot on the march. I think not, my sweet. Come this way.
Excuse me. I was wondering if you could help.
Keep walking, dear. I front. You're forward 11 o'clock.
But you see, I'm lost.
No, it's bad navigation. A bird is also wet hat, doesn't deserve its wings. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Oh, it's dear. But I got lost on foot. I can't even fly yet.
Bah! Infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give him marching orders.
Very well. We're east. Migrants, you know. Birds like passage. We're a tight fleet. We're not due for us to lose our way.
Where are you trying to get to? Back to the lake. To my mother. It must be in that direction. I saw some ducks flying over just a few minutes ago.
Well, if you did, it was probably their last flying mission.
What do you mean? There's a shoe on the march that's very dangerous. What is a shoe? Well, it's a people sport. One group of men will shoot the march, scaring ducks into the air, while a second with guns shoot them out of the air again. That's horrible. It's a cat. Please warn me about people.
The cat!
Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous it is? Yes, but she's handling off with a cat. And even though she did warn me, she said he was my friend. You don't want birthday cat here. Your mother was right to warn you. She was.
Gun dogs. They must be starting to shoot again. I hope it wouldn't come to this. But I have no option. All right, at ease. Company forward! I did not mean literally. Gun. Now, we are about to take part in an exercise, the likes of which we have not before. Our task is one of not only reconnaissance, but of unification.
What he's trying to say is that this suffering lost his mom. Bless him. We're going to find him.
You are fine, Mother Louise. And I know you'll give your best. Good luck, man. coming.